Tiger here, aka Veggie242, and today I have for you a short review of the computer I just recently built. It is working phenomenally for me, so I just wanted to go through everything and tell you my thoughts and experiences with this computer, as well as like hardcore, statistics, so you know how everything is gonna work when you if you build this computer. Alright, so starting off, they actually have changed the case and the video card since I built it. They updated July 20th, and I built it in June. So I personally, it used to be this graphics card. So my computer is built with this graphics card. It's the EVGA. I'm not sure how to pronounce this. The EVGA GeForce GTX 960, and this is the ASUS Strix GeForce GTX 960. So the only difference that I really see is that this one's overclocked, so you can overclock. However, this one is, and it just costs a little bit more, so there isn't too much of a difference between those. They're both the GeForce 960, so there is really no difference there. And also, since there is a really new case, there's not really a point of me showing off the computer since it's gonna work different for you. But in terms of statistics-wise, on the performance review, the Windows Experience Index assesses key system components on a scale from 1 to 7.9. So in terms of scores, it's very good. So processor and memory are both 7.6, which is very close to the max. The graphics and gaming graphics are both the top you can be, is 7.9. The primary hard disk is going to be a low 5.9, but that is not bad, and it works great for me. And so these are very good numbers. Also, you want to make sure that all your drivers are installed, or else you'll get weird numbers. So make sure that. Also, one thing that I very much liked when I built this computer is that the graphics card comes with this GeForce Experience app, which comes with a very nice recorder. So if you want to record games, this is very nice. It doesn't drop any of your frames. It's very easy to toggle on and off, and it's very nice. In terms of performance-wise, with a high-maintenance game like Overwatch, you're going to get a consistent 80 to 90 frames per second, sometimes more, sometimes a little less, but I rarely see it go below 60, which is very nice. In terms of a game like Minecraft, which is very low maintenance, if you're in a single-player world, you'll get, like, I've gotten up to like 600 frames, 700 frames, and even with some really high shaders, it's still very high in the 120s, 200s, depending on what shaders pack you have. So all these things are very good. I loved using this computer. It's very nice for me. And I also want to make sure that people know, so it will be a little bit over 700 by the time you get a keyboard and a monitor and a operating system and a network adapter. It will go over $700, but not that much over. So I just want to keep that in mind. So it will be a little bit over $700, but it's still a very good computer, and I loved using it. So definitely recommend it. It wasn't too hard to build, and it was very nice. So definitely recommend this computer. It's very nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, click on the like button, subscribe, like it. Think about it, and see you next time. Bye bye.